In the last one, we had discussed about this alkene, alkyne properties and everything. Now, in this turn, we will be discussing about this, what do we say, alkyne hydrocarbon. This is second last topic of, you can say, hydrocarbon chapter. Alkyne is second last, and the last one is aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay. Now, so alkyne, when you will see questions of alkyne, the properties are almost same as alkene, almost same. You will find that very small difference is there. Difference is present in reactivity, and difference is present in what do we say, number of times of reaction. Means in alkene, if reaction occurs once, so in alkyne reaction occurs twice, because alkyne is containing two pi bonds. Okay, so let's start the preparation. Preparation. First, very common method, by dehydrohalogenation of vicinal or gem dihalide. Now, what do I mean by this? Let's understand. Let's say we have this. Let's say we have this. Okay. Okay. Now, what we will do, don't show this hydrogen. No need to show hydrogen. This is called vicinal dihalide. I hope you remember. We call it vicinal dihalide. So what we will do, we will treat it with, first of all, alcoholic KOH. Now, once you treat it with alcoholic KOH, so I hope you understand it is E2 mechanism. Now, because of E2 mechanism, one of the X and one of the H will be gone. And you will be left with this, first of all. Okay. You will be left with this. I hope you understand this. Or maybe another X will be removed, like this X can also be removed along with this H. So this is your first. And then we have got two options. Then from here we have got two options. Either we can keep using alcoholic KOH, or we can use a different base, NaNH2. Here we will have to go for a strong heating. Temperature must not be less than 300 degrees Celsius.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why I'm saying high temperature? Because alcoholic KOH is weaker base as compared to NaNH2. So if you want a triple bond to come here, so you will require high heating in case of alcoholic KOH. So product will be this. This X and this H will be gone, and you will get this. Okay.
Yes.
In case of NaNH2 also, you will get the same product. But NaNH2 being a very strong base, what it does, it again reacts, and this terminal hydrogen is removed by this NaNH2, and ultimately you are left with this. Okay. What we
Yes, sir.
do, then we place some water here, or H plus, it again becomes this. Okay. Please note this. This is done by E2 mechanism.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm saying alcoholic QH means general pi bond will come, elimination. And if you want to keep using alcoholic QH, you will have to require very strong heating. And then after strong heating, you will get triple bond. In case of NaNH2, no, not very strong, but a simple heating will cause the triple bond to come. Okay, please note this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
One, sir. One,
Yes,
one,
yes,
sir.
yes, 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 waiting, waiting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very well. Now, second, no, not second. This time, let's say we have this. Okay, same, same. This is what we call gem dihalide. Gem means geminal. Gem means geminal. And what happens in case of geminal dihalide? Same reaction. When both the group, when both the halogens are attached on same carbon, we call them gem. Okay. You will have to increase temperature too much, and you are going to get this. Or you can use this. You will have this. Then you treat it further with an NH2. Means you can't stop it. Okay. Please make this. Second. By tetra haloethane. Oh, alkane, sorry. Tetrahaloalkane. Now, what is the meaning of by tetrahaloalkane? Let's see. See, this is tetrahaloalkane. Okay. You treat it with zinc in presence of dry ether. Can you get me the product? You have solved such question. Oh, do write one thing. In before this second point, if some space is left, so we will write if. Oh, sorry. Yeah, just write. We can use NaNH2 since beginning. अगर आप चाहो तो शुरू से भी यूज कर सकते हो. इट्स नॉट लाइक NaNH2 आप शुरू में यूज नहीं कर सकते. अल्कोहलिक क्वेस थोड़ा चीप पड़ता है, तो इसलिए उसका यूज किया जाता है. अगर आप चाहो तो NaNH2 का ही शुरू से यूज कर सकते हो, बट वो थोड़ा कॉस्टली होता है. ओके.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So what will be the product here? Can you tell me? I hope you.
ZmCl2 will get, sir, first step.
हाँ. First of all, I hope you understand. You are going to get this.
A double bond, sir.
Yes, correct. You are going to get a double bond first of all. And then, if you keep treating it, you will get this also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is alkyne. I hope it is clear.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Good. That is not third method. It is in second only. Product. I hope you have made it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, by silver powder. Now, when you treat this molecule with silver powder, something like this happens. Oh, sorry. It is a plus sign, not arrow. Plus sign. Something like this happens. You are going to get 6AgX plus RC triple bond Cr. They ask if you treat chloroform with silver, what will happen? Product.
Sir.
This is chloroform.
Yes, sir.
You treat it with silver powder. What will be the product?
Sir, we'll get alkyne, sir. Alkyne. We'll get ethine, sir.
Yes, correct. Correct. Written?
Yeah, one, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
By alkylation of terminal alkyne. Now let's see this. If you treat it with NaNH2, what will happen? Can you tell me the product? What will happen here? It is NH2 minus. NH2 minus pull this H of RC triple bond CH. Okay. What we are going to get? We are going to get this. See, this job cannot be done by, see, if you treat it with Grignard, then also CSC minus can take this. But if you treat it with the NaOH, no reaction. Alcoholic KOH, no reaction. They are not as strong as these two. Okay. Now, you can use this also. If you want, you can use Grignard also, no problem. Now, what we have to do next, we have to treat it with R dash X. Can you tell me the product? Yes. Can you tell me the product?
NaX and R single bond C, double bond C, single bond R dash, sir.
Single bond?
Single bond R dash.
Yes, correct. You're going to get this. How? They here delta plus, here minus, attack backside, leave SN2. Okay. This is fourth method. Fifth. Kolbe electrolytic. Product. product.
Yes, sir. Sir, we'll get heat coin, sir.
Yes.
And
See, I hope you remember in Kolbe electrolysis method, we delete it.
yes,
We
sir.
remove this COO and we get this free radical.
Yes, sir.
Then these free radical combine to give you this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct.
Sir, can you tell what will happen to the rest, sir? The COO
What?
minus and like the COO minus and Na will form bond, sir.
No, I did not understand. What are you saying?
This COO minus, sir, and
Huh?
this Na plus, they'll make bond, sir.
They have bond, ionic bond.
Oh, yes, sir.
They have ionic bond, no?
Yes, sir.
This will be which number? Sixth. By called calcium carbide. When you throw water on calcium carbide, so you get this. Plus COH whole twice, sorry. Here, and one more. Let's see Mg2C3 plus H2O. Here you get CH3, C triple bond CH plus MgOH whole twice. Please balance this on your own. Balance it. Have you done the balancing? Yes, I hope.
Yes, sir.
4H2 will be there, I think.
Sir. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So these are the preparation method for alkynes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to properties. Okay. Let's see. So let alkyne contains 2 pi bond between 2 carbons. Which results in cylindrical pi electron cloud. Cylindrical pi electron cloud around C single bond C. That is, alkyne possess cylindrical symmetry. Now, what do I mean by this? Let's see. Alkyne is like this only. I hope if you watch this structure properly, you will feel like a cylinder is being formed. You see, look at here. Doesn't it feel like cylindrical? This can be made like this. And it is shown in this manner. Okay, complete this. Because of this cylindrical structure, there is no stereochemistry involved, not even a single, neither geometrical nor optical. It cannot show any stereoisomerism.
Yes, sir.
Have you done it?
Once, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chemical properties. Chemical properties. So we'll write general reaction of alkyne is electrostatic addition reaction. Okay. General reaction of alkyne is electrophilic addition reaction. Reaction of alkyne, tell me, reaction of alkyne will be faster or slower as compared to alkene? Tell me.
Faster, sir.
Hmm?
It will be faster, sir.
Why?
So because like more substitution can take place, more addition can take place, sir. More unsaturated, sir.
Okay. Reaction in alkynes are slower than alkenes as number one.
Volume
Triple bond is stronger. First reason is your triple bond is strong. Okay, so it is difficult to break a strong bond. Second.
Yes.
It will generate unstable vinyl carbocation upon addition of electrophile. Now, what do I mean by this? Let's see. Now, see, let's say if we have this, what is the X plus? You are going to get this. Which is unstable and highly reactive. Okay. You will better this. Difficult to.
Yeah. Okay, sure. பேசாம கேம் விட்டுறலாம்டா பரவாயில்லடா
What?
கஷ்டப்பட்டு டிக்ளேர் பண்றது பரவாயில்ல எனக்கு புரியுதுடா டேய் காரை எவனோ தூக்கிட்டான்
Okay, so it is unstable and difficult to form. So first, second reason is this. That's why electrophile is not added easily. Now, if you are not going for from carbocation, so if you will be going from cyclic stage, cyclic intermediate. So cyclic stage is highly unstable due to excessive angle strain. What do you mean by this? I hope you remember this. We used to get something like this, isn't it? Now the very same if you will do here in case of alkyne, so you will get this. यहाँ पर हाई एंगल स्ट्रेन है, हाई, बहुत हाई एंगल स्ट्रेन है. क्यों? क्योंकि इस कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp2 है और एंगल होना चाहिए 120, बट एक्चुअल एंगल जो है वो है 60. So this ring is under highly angle strain. That's why if it is under highly angle strain, so it is difficult to form. It is difficult to form. Okay. I hope it is clear as well. Because of these reasons, it is very difficult for going for electrophilic reaction in alkyne. But it's not like if reaction is difficult, so it will not happen. It will happen, but we will have to rise the temperature and we will have to go for some difficult conditions. Generally, you will find that almost all the reactions are similar. Almost all the reactions are similar. I will write those reactions one by one. Okay. So it would be like your revision as well.
Yes, sir.
Please complete this. I hope you have written. Too hot in here. Okay, so we just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, let me do one thing here. Just wait for 2 minutes. First reaction will give you alkane as a product. Second reaction will give you what? Second reaction will give you cis
Uh,
alkene.
yes, sir.
And third will give you trans alkene.
Yes, sir.
Third will give you trans alkene. Complete this fast. Okay. So this is the first reaction. I told you it will be revision of alkyne, isn't it? That will be revision of alkene. You will see that mostly reactions are similar to alkene. Not a very big difference is there. Okay, second. Second. Tell me the product of this reaction. Product.
Sir, uh,
It is
1,2 tetra
it is
fluoro.
anti-addition of Cl
Yes,
and Cl. It is anti-addition of Cl and Cl. You will get this thing as a product.
yes, sir. So then again it will
Yes, and again it will react.
yes.
Again it will react. Like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This will be the product. Now what will be the product of this reaction? Just let me take this example and I2CCl4. Now in case of this, you will get this product. You will get this.
Huh?
Okay.
Sir, but next it will go, sir, because sir, I2 is large hindrance.
Yes, it reacts in case of triple bond only, but no further reaction with double bond. Okay. It will react with triple bond to give you diiodo product, but it will not react with double bond. Iodine does not react with double bond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Complete this. Product.
Sir, sir, BR will go and attach like.
I hope
Yes,
first
sir.
of all you made this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope you made this only.
Yes, sir.
Now once you made this, I can say that reaction will not stop here. It will go one more time. and you are gonna get this. Okay.
Yes, sir. In same. Yes, sir. This is a gem now, sir. Like
Yes,
gem.
gem dihalide. Product. Product.
Sir, here it will be like in that position, sir. Like where 1 degree carbon is there now. Like
Yes.
yes, sir.
It is anti-Marconi competition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see this one.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
In I know, sir. Like
Yes.
I2. After that, Cl can go add no, sir.
What?
Cl. Or
No,
Cl also won't in
I,
this
I, I'm not understanding. What are you
in this
saying?
reaction, sir.
Which
In the
reaction?
second reaction, second part, sir.
Uh,
I2.
uh-huh.
In that, like one more I2 cannot come and add, sir. But Cl can go now, sir. Cl.
In second reaction. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Cl can go.
Yes, sir.
Let me write fifth in the new page. Product. Remember what is this? It is OMD. Have you made the product or not? Anyone?
Sir, OH and yes, sir. OH and H. Then again it will take place and like
Have you made this?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now understand. If one carbon is connected to 2OH, it releases H2O, it turns into this.
We form keto, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, one, sir.
If you have 3OH, it converts into this. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Have you made it?
once, sir.
Okay. Product of this. Hmm.
So it will be ketone alcohol.
Yes, it will
Okay.
be ketone. See, again it will lose one water molecule.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note this.
Sir, two oxygen will be connected now, sir. Like it will be like how, sir?
No, water is removed from here.
Yes, sir.
So once water is removed, it will convert into keto.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm asking about this third star you put now, sir. Third star here.
Yes.
There, CO. Oh, it's a CO2. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I didn't see the another one. Yes, sir.
Fine. Let's see another one. Treated with, what will be the sequence number? 6. Oh, sorry, B2H6, comma. No, not this. First B2H6. And you can use THF as a solvent. Product. Can you make the product?
Will it be halide, sir?
What?
Aldehyde.
Yes. This time OH will be connected on terminal. It is anti-Markovnikov addition.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
7.
Yes, sir.
Uh, you can treat it with product. Product.
Yes, sir.
Remember, check the reagent from the alkene notes and get me the product.
Oxidation, sir. Oxidation. Sir, sir, on the both the bonds, OH will be added, sir. OH.
Yes. That's why I'm not telling anything. I want you to check in your notes.
Then one more time also will it take place or because of hindrance it will stop, sir?
But reaction will not stop here. And then water will be removed. Product. Have you made like this only?
Sir, yes, sir. It is looking like ketone aldehyde together, sir.
Hmm?
It is looking like ketone aldehyde.
Big group is ketone, the middle group is ketone, corner group is aldehyde.
Yes, sir.
Next. Now let me give you some different. Let's see, can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next write heading, ozonolysis. Ozonolysis.
Yes, sir. So in this sort of structure, it will be like house or
Yes, it will again be house, but a stronger house.
one more floor, sir.
Yes, like that, ozonoid. Ozonoid. Now let's see. If you have ozonoid,
Yes, sir.
if you have ozonoid and you treat ozonoid with metal oblique, it's just metal oblique H2O. We call it reductive. There are reagents are slightly different. Like H4, we call it extensive reductive. So see, in reductive, product is vicinal dioxo. Okay, no complete bond breakage. Remember, okay, your triple bond will not completely break. In oxidative, you will get acids, complete bond breakage. and an extensive reductive, we get vicinal diol. We get vicinal diol. Okay, let's see. Write it fast.
One,
Sir,
sir.
what is the second one, sir? H2O2.
H2O2 and then LiLH4.
No, sir. The
Oxidative.
name, sir.
Oxidative.
So one,
Write
sir.
it fast. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's see.
So one, sir.
Okay, okay. Done.
One, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See. For example, let's say we have this. No, take a real example. Take a real example like this.
503
Take a real example like this. And what we are going to treat it with O3 ZnH2O. Means reductive. Now understand this thing. Okay, this time you will not be able to break all three bonds. You will just break two bonds up to here. It is not like cutting someone with your sword. It will be like stabbing someone. When you stab someone, you don't cut him into two pieces. You just stab it. Go. But again, remorse will be there. I'm not saying remorse will not be there. Oh. Product will be this. CH3, C, CH, double bond O, double bond O. Getting this? Okay. Similarly, let's see one more time. One more. No, not like this. Bond line. Can you get me the product fast?
Sir, 2 keto will be.
Yes.
Sir, 2 keto, sir.
Yes. Double bond O here, double bond O here.
Yes, sir.
Catch O. And see, in the previous case, when I wrote H2O2, you can simply use water as well. Water also can do the job. No need for H2O2 particularly. Means instead of H2O2, you can write H2 also. This time, complete bond breakage. Catch. And you will get acids only. Only acids. Like this. Getting this point? Only acid. Just acid. I hope you have made it. Okay.
One, sir. I'll write one.
Okay. Product of this reaction also.
Formaldehyde will get, sir.
Yes.
Formaldehyde and.
No. Catch.
Yes, sir.
You will only get acid.
Oh.
2 carbon acid
Yes, sir.
plus 1 carbon acid.
Yes, sir. Once, sir.
Okay, make it fast. Done?
Yes, sir.
What will be the sequence?
Equal.
9.
Yes, sir.
9.
Yes, sir.
Oxidative cleavage. Oxidative cleavage. Okay. Means if you treat it with KMNO4 oblique H plus, KMNO4H plus or K2Cr2O7 oblique H plus or hot KMNO4. So you write here just like alkene. No difference. Just like alkene. Catch and acids plus. Here one carbon acid means formic acid. So formic acid will be oxidized to CO2.
Yes, sir.
Please complete this. Okay. Next. Next. Polymerization. Polymerization is slightly important. Polymerization is important. How? Let's understand. First, cyclic. First, cyclic polymerization. Now, what happens in case of cyclic polymerization? Very important reaction. We take 3 molecule of alkyne and we pass it through red, hot,
Iron.
copper or iron tube. We pass it through red, hot, iron tube. Now, once we do that, what we get? We get something like this. We get like this, benzene. How this reaction happens? It happens like this. Let me show you. It happens like this.
Sir, yes, sir. This we learned, sir. That's cool.
Look at this. Very important reaction it is. Why? Because direct conversion of aliphatic compound into aromatic. Direct conversion of aliphatic into aromatic. Very important reaction. It happens like this. One step only. And we get this. Okay. Note this fast. Can you tell me the product of this reaction? Product. Can you think about this product?
One three five benzene. Sir.
Yes, yes.
135.
Correct, correct, correct.
Yes, sir.
This. We call it mesitylene. Mesitylene. Now there is one more reaction. Oh, this one. If I use this NiCN whole twice as a catalyst, okay? So here 4 molecules are required and they react in this manner. Like this. And you get something like this.
So this is anti-aromatic, sir.
No, non-aromatic. Top shape.
Yes, sir. Exception, no, sir.
Yes. Make it fast.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
See, these are particular reaction. I can't explain ki why others are not given this reaction. It is a reaction of alkyne only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
B. B. Linear polymerization. Linear polymerization. Now let's understand the meaning of linear polymerization. What is the meaning of linear polymerization?
Straight.
Here we treat it with we treated with uh, Cu2Cl2 along with NH4Cl. We treat it with CH2Cl2 along with NH4Cl. Now, here 3 molecules are required. Here 3 molecules are required, or something like this happens. Let me show you what happens. It is just like acid-base reaction. 3 molecule reacts in this manner. This acts as acid and these two act at base. Okay. Now, what happens? What base does? Base pulls H plus. So once it does so, you will get this. Similarly, this also does the same. I'm saying it does not happen exactly in the same manner, but you can remember it like this very easily. I hope it is clear. Now this plus minus gets joined. So ultimately you get this. Okay. Are you getting this? Two molecules somewhat they act as acid. Oh, one molecule act as acid and two act as base. I hope it is clear to you. This is linear polymerization. Okay. This was 10th, now 11th. Okay. Now hydration, very important. Hydration of alkyne. Hydration means this. Reaction with H plus oblique H2O. Okay. Can you make that product fast? I hope you remember it is Markovnikov addition of H plus and OH minus. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Make the product fast.
So what will be attached in the center, sir?
Huh.
Just like it.
Yes. Now see, I hope you understand this is enol. Medium is acidic. So enol gets tautomerized to keto. Enol gets tautomerized to keto.
Yes, sir.
If you don't want to make like this, you can make by attaching 2H, 2OH, no problem. But it will be better if you show tautomerism. Okay. So you would get this thing as a product. Instead of H plus H2O, you will generally find they are writing this. They are writing like this. HgSO4 oblique H2SO4 or Hg2 plus oblique H plus. Complete this fast. Very important.
What is the use of HG, sir, in the
Hg is used. What is the use of Hg? It is used to polarize triple bond. Hg is quite electron deficient, so it acts as Lewis acid and it polarizes your triple bond. So reaction becomes slightly better. Otherwise, no use.
yes, sir.
Okay. 12th.
Yes, sir.
Now 12th is a common combined reaction of ethyne only. Just ethyne. If you find this somewhere, if you find it somewhere, so just write accordingly. Otherwise, not that important. When you treat your ethyne with arsenic trichloride, you get Lewisite gas. Do you know Lewisite gas? It is highly poisonous.
Leucine.
Yes, highly poisonous. Or if you treat it with sulfur, you get this. You get this. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very well. If you treat it with HCN in presence of BaCN2, okay, so you get this. CH2 double bond CHCN. It is example of nucleophilic addition reaction. Oh, and this hydration of alkyne also example of nucleophilic addition. So alkyne give both the reaction, nucleophilic addition also or electrophilic addition also. Okay. Instead of BaCN2, you can use NaCN also. No problem. It is example of nucleophilic addition. Okay. Complete this fast. Now, last but not the least, sequence number 13. And the reaction is called reaction due to terminal H. Reaction due to terminal H. A. Can you tell me the product of all these three reactions? Can you tell me the product of all these three reactions?
Sir, this delta plus, sir.
This hydrogen will be replaced.
Yes, sir. By any other water we'll add, no, sir.
Here this. And here R dash Grignard gives us R minus. Grignard gives us R minus. That does the same. Alkyl lithium does the same. They all will pull the acidic H.
Yes, sir.
Everywhere you are going to get this only.
And we'll add water, no, sir.
No, why water? No, we won't add.
Then after that, what will do, sir?
I'll do something else. Now, treat this with, let's say, this. I hope you can see here delta plus on the carbon.
Yes, sir.
Now they all minus will attack here. Everyone. All the minus will attack here, so pi bond will break. You're gonna get this. Okay. And then we will add some water or H plus. So we'll get this. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very well. B.
Once we'll call, right, sir?
Yes, yes. Please write it fast.
All right.
Okay.
Wait for the class, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this second is very important. Reaction with Tollens reagent. Now what is Tollens reagent? Ammonical silver nitrate. Ammonical silver nitrate. Or you can find it written like this. Or you can find it like this. Okay. This is called Tollens reagent. What it does, note it down. Written? I hope you have written. Now, if you have any alkyne like this, we call it terminal alkyne. What it does, when you treat it with Tollens reagent, it gives you white color precipitate. Very important. Very, very important. Reaction with ammonical cuprous chloride. Or they can write like this. Let me show you how they can write. They can write like this. Oh, one more thing. One more thing. Tollens reagent can also be written like this. Tollens reagent can also be written like this. They can write Tollens reagent like this also. AgNH3 whole twice plus. So don't get confused. See, they can write ammonical cuprous chloride like this. So we get this red brown precipitate. Remember, only terminal alkyne give this reaction. Okay. What do I mean by this? If you have this, or no reaction. Why? Not a terminal alkyne. That's why no reaction. Please note this. It will give you zero reaction because it is not a terminal alkyne. Okay. So I hope you have written this. Write it fast.
Sir, once last
Okay. Okay. Terminal alkyne only will give this reaction. Non-terminal alkyne will not give. It is as easy as that. Not a big deal.
Yes, sir.
Remember, it is very important reaction. Last two. Okay. Last two are very important reaction. So I will write here some point. You write along with me. If a compound gives red brown or white precipitate with ammonical cuprous chloride or ammonical silver nitrate presence of terminal alkyne. This is a test of terminal alkyne. Okay. This is a test for terminal alkyne. Complete this. Okay. And one test for unsaturation we know कि compound if your compound gives decolorized solution upon reaction with Br2H2O, 1% KMnO4 or Br2CCl4, so we say has compound has unsaturation between carbon and carbon. Okay. So this is the complete reaction package of alkyne. I will send some questions. In the next run, we will be discussing about the doubts and then we will move to aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay. Till then, bye bye.